What is up, guys? BritTech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to buy Shiba Inu on Coinbase app. So let's get into it. Go ahead and open up your Coinbase app, and what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go down to the bottom where you see the blue circle in the center with the two arrows. Go ahead and select that, and then select Buy Crypto with Cash. Now you want to type in SHIB, S-H-I-B, for Shiba Inu. And now we're going to add some cash. So add the dollar amount that you want to buy SHIB with. So make sure your credit card or debit card or your checking account info is added to your account. You would do that under Profile and Settings, and then put in the amount you want to purchase. Now, as you can see, $2 would get you 21,126 coins. So after the fee, that's about $1 worth. And based off of how much you buy, that'll determine how big the fee is, the network fee, Coinbase fee. But yeah, once you select buy, that's pretty much it. You will receive an email confirmation to the email you have on file. And yeah, enjoy your coins and much success. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.